Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a new Pinterest account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Pinterest application. If you already have a Pinterest account, you can simply provide your email address and then password to continue logging into your account. But if you don't have account yet, on this page, first of all enter your email address. After you're done with that, tap on continue, and on this page you have to create a password for your Pinterest account. So go ahead and create a password. Once you're done with that, tap on next, and on this page enter your full name. After that, tap on next. Now you have to enter your date of birth as well, so provide your date of birth. After that, tap on next. Now again, provide your gender as well. Here, provide your country or region and then tap on next. Select the 5 that you are interested in. Then tap on next. And after that, you will have your new Pinterest account. So this is how you can create a Pinterest account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.